So it starts with that, then it goes to that, and then I obsess over something. So then it looks like that. But sadly, it still looks like this. On this episode of Lifestyles of the Rich and Famous. Oh, wait, wrong show. On this episode of A Partially Gutted Camper, you will see... I don't like that one either. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the camper, partially gutted. You can see water damage was in the back corner, but that has been removed, fixed, caulked, all the good stuff. And now we have no refrigerator and lots of cabinets left. So lots of naughty adult words were said during this demo. And yes, that was a sledgehammer, because you get to a point where you just don't care about finesse anymore. Now there's no kitchen there and no closet there. And we're really getting to see the bones of everything. One of the weird things, there were playing cards hidden in the walls. Weird. But I got rid of everything but the kitchen sink. And now I got rid of that too. And then there was water damage. So since I am putting a bathroom there, I decided to get rid of the window. Now keep in mind, all of my materials have been sourced and have been free so far. So I'm using what I have, including a broken twin bunk bed that I got from someone. Gonna build a bed. Whoever doesn't say this is a glamorous life is totally lying to you. Here's my paint get up for the morning. We really appreciate you stopping by our channel and thumbs upping our videos. If you want to see the first video in this series, click on the My Suggestions video. This shows you how we managed to get it into the backyard and how I moved a shed almost all by myself. Fun times.